Hello, good morning mga palangga. So I just updated you now because I've been so busy lately and today is another working day. So I just want to give you an update sa house extension. There's not much of a difference the last time I gave you an update, but yesterday Mr. was so busy. He pressed down the ground para ready na siya buhusan, and as what he said, Kuya will be here to pile some blocks again today. I don't know where, but yeah, that's what he said. So hopefully pag uwi natin medyo malaki na yung progress. Ibaba camera ko lang para makita nyo. So ito, iba camera natin para makita nyo yung difference pag uwi natin, kasi I will try my best na mag-update sa inyo ulit. Yan. So I think maglalagay din sila ng insulation. Magsa 7 o'clock na dito, kaya I need to set off. Na. Tatawagin natin si Mr. kasi nandoon pa siya sa kanyang office. So dumating na yung aking uniform. Bottom pa lang, and as usual, sobrang hindi naman siya masyadong malaki. It's okay. It's still big, but it feels like a jumpsuit kasi taga dito talaga. It's long, but it's okay. I can adjust it. Char! Paninindigan ko kasi meron na akong sewing machine. But if hindi ako confident, I will see on the weekend. If I am not confident, I will ask Janina to adjust my uniform because I only got two and I don't want to mess it up. Huwag niyo itong pansinin kasi ito yung ano niya, pinaka-click nasira, kaya nilagyan namin ng tape kasi natanggal kasi yung ano niya, turn on and off. Kaya kung hindi siya lalagyan ng tape, naka-expose yung pinaka wire, which is not safe. So makukuryente ka. Honey, I'm going.
Naughty Chucky. She's leaving her favourite husband. The only one. Hello.
Hello.
So cute. She always forgets something. Apart from me. It's soon to be our wedding anniversary. You know what she's buying me?
What did you tell them?
Nothing. Secret.
What did you tell them?
Nothing. Come on now.
Are you missing me that now I am working?
Yeah.
Okay. So as usual mga palangga, hindi ko na kayo ma-update once I set off. Kasi focus talaga tayo sa work. Bye-bye! I love you.
Love you too. Take care.
I will. Bye-bye. See you later, hun. See you later. 10 degrees.
July. And Jack Draper's
Bye. Like a Labrador. Sige na, ito-turn off na natin itong mga loves. Tapos na ako sa aking trabaho and may pa-rainbow dyan. Nakikita nyo ba? Yan. Kaunting rainbow. Yan. Umuulan din kasi. So as usual mga palangga, wala pa din akong parking. Ewan ko kung maa-approve ba yung parking ko kasi many times na nirefuse nila yung application ko. Kaya wala akong hope dyan. Update sa extension. So What is this? Insulation? Ah, so this is... So, alright. So they will put the concrete over here. Over, yeah, okay.
Plastic to go over, like that.
Insulation and then plastic.
You've got plastic under, insulation, plastic on top, and concrete. That's just to...
So what is this hand? This steel over there?
That is for us to be able to go through off this to that, to tamp it down level.
Ah, okay.
That will take that out, you see.
So the pole came today?
Mm-hmm.
Ah, okay. I thought that he will be doing brickworks.
We did, just put these bricks around here.
Oh yeah, that's a new one.
Just
Huh?
don't bang them, they're loose.
So where do you want me to go?
Through there.
Through there.
Pain.
Oh my God, what happened,
It's only a
Han?
little bit of skin off, but it looks worse than what it actually is.
Yeah, what you've done to that?
It's pebble dashing. Putting
Oh
stuff
God. So,
Yeah.
you know, you need to be careful,
Just
Han.
caught it, that's all, just a minute, and it dropped me.
Honey. Right, let's go inside. I need to change my gloves. Nandito na yung concrete. Wow, it's so early. 7:39. Wala, si Mr. He's not happy kasi he's not ready. Yan na. Nagbuhusan na siya mga loves. We'll go out. Wow, it's windy. We'll go outside para makita niyo na mabuti. We need to go via the patio door kasi of course dito hindi na natin pwedeng malakaran dyan. Kaya dito tayo. It's very windy. Ay, sana dinala ko yung microphone ko, no? A quick update lang naman. Wala naman ako masyadong sasabihin kasi hindi ko naman, ay, Diyos ko, hindi ka na ako madapa. And there it is, yan na. Ang bilis lang talaga nilang na tapos dito. And kuya, yung kuya na naglagay ng mga ganito ng brick, pumunta siya dito this morning para tulungan si Mr. na i-level tong semento. Mga ano lang to ha, ginawa nila mga within 30 minutes. Yan kadali. Kasi nakita nyo naman kanina na pumunta dito yung ano, yung truck para magbuhos ng semento. So, madali lang kasi kailangan mo lang i-order tapos naka-mix na, papunta yung truck dito and there you are. Bye, mister!
Hi, ma'am.
Bye! Oh, you're blurred! Why is it
I'm
blurred?
not blurred. I'm John.
You are blurred. Can you please? Thank
Come on,
you.
Protect my car.
So, papunta ako kila Janina mga palangga kasi I got my uniform. Bottom uniform pa lang. Pero, as I expected, nakwento ko ba sa inyo? As I expected, malaki siya. Para siyang jumpsuit talaga. Taga dito ko. Kaya I need to alter my uniform. Natatakot kasi ako na i-cut yung uniform ko kasi dalawa lang yung uniform ko at if I mess it up, ay nako, no turning back na. Right, I'm going. Bye. I'm home. Hindi na ako nakapag-vlog ng pagdating ko kila Janina kasi nakaabang na siya mga palangga and he's so busy today kasi she's working. She's working
You
today.
need green, you do. You have to have green.
That's green.
Green.
Yeah, we're just gonna use what we got in the fridge. That's what we're doing. So, dumaan din ako sa village shop
Why have you bought so many mushrooms?
Because I need a lot of mushrooms.
Okay.
I said, can I take all this, Julie? She said, yeah, just take whatever you want.
Same price?
£2.10.
Okay. Right, we all shouldn't work up yet, I think.
Janina really thought that I'm gonna go there to their house and ask her to sew my uniform right there and then. I said, no, Janina, because she's panicking. I said, no, Janina, I don't expect you to do my uniform right now. And she said, ah, okay, because she's so busy. So yeah. But yeah, probably, she said, probably I will text you on weekend and we can meet and have a coffee. Bless her. You know, she's so nice and she has a good heart. But she worries a lot. So this is for our hapunan, by the way, as you can tell. Kukunin ko lang yung sinampay ko kasi nasampay ako kanina. Late ko na siyang nilabhan kasi hinandwash ko lang siya kasi nakalimutan ko mga palangga dahil sobrang dami kong ginawa. Nakalimutan ko. So I'm not sure kung tuyo ba. I need him badly, mostly na sa top. Kasi if you... grabe ang hangin. Sobrang lakas ng hangin. Sensyahan nyo na yung buhok ko. Please help me. Help. Pabebe na naman. So ito. Ay, okay na sila. Tuyo na. Please, I'm the damsel in... Please, I'm damsel in distress.
Shouldn't leave the door like that, darling. It blows open.
Right, come on. So, tuyo sila. Medyo malamig nga lang sila sa feeling kasi malamig yung hangin. Pero, tuyo na sila. So, plano ko talaga today na pumunta sa Primark. Pero, I can't be bothered kasi mas inuna ko yung mga ginagawa ko. So, dalawa lang yung ganito ko. Ito yung nilalagay ko underneath my scrub. Kasi until na wala pa din tayong top. And I'm pretty sure yung top uniform kailangan ko din ipa-outer kay Janina. Kasi malaki yan for sure. Buti na nga lang yung yung manager extra small yung niya in order. Pero malaki pa din. Sabi ng mga katrabaho ko, malaki pa din yung extra small kasi, excuse me. Kasi yung iba nagsusuotin ng extra small at malaki pa daw sa kanila at pina-alter daw nila. Malaki yung fit. Malaki yung fit ng uniform. So maka-harvest si Mr. ng kamatis. Here. So, ang ginagawa ko dahil 4 times a week akong nag-duty, nilalabhan ko sila afterwards talaga. As soon as I finish them kasi dalawa lang sila. Madali lang naman din sila matuyo kasi manipis sila ba.